Honk Honk, Beep Beep by Daniel Kirk. Wake up, sleepyhead, time's a-wastin', out of bed. Lift those legs, climb in the Jeep, time to go. Honk honk, beep beep. Through the town and past the park, headlights gleaming in the dark. Papa turns the steering wheel, round the corner, tires squeal. Across the road, two rabbits leap. Hit the brakes, honk honk, beep beep. Care to join us for a ride? Come on, friends, there's room inside. Big trucks make a roaring sound. 16 wheels hug the ground. Road crew working up ahead. Lights are flashing orange and red. Traffic slows down to a creep. We're losing time. Honk honk, beep beep. Workers finished with their shift. Buddy, can we get a lift? Over hills, past fields of wheat, the breeze is cool, the air is sweet. Farmer, hurry! Move your sheep! Clear the way! Honk honk, beep beep! Hello, buddy! Why the frown? Need a tow, car's broken down. Looks like you could use a break. Climb on in, for goodness sake. Train rolls past the crossing gate. How long will we have to wait? Passengers are still asleep. Move along! Honk honk, beep beep! Making time, we're doing fine. Soon the sun will rise and shine. Squeezing tight, the Jeep is full. Nearly too much weight to pull. Up the hillside, very steep, shifting gears, honk honk, beep beep. Birds are singing, flying high. There's color in the eastern sky. Here's the perfect place to stop. It's sunrise on the mountain top. I'm glad we didn't oversleep. What a day! Honk honk, beep beep.